Okay, so here is everything in the package of the Taotronics. Okay, so, and let's take a little close up. I don't know if you guys can see the drivers. Maybe you can, maybe you cannot. But there's two drivers. Yeah, a little shadowy there. Okay, all right. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, welcome. My name is John, and what we do on this channel is we're looking for saving, discounts, promotions, installations, unboxing, DIYs, stuff like that. Okay, so usually like I try to post a lot of promotions, hot deals on my channel, and for the audience to take advantage of it. Okay, and a lot of times I myself take advantage of those deals as well, and I do buy them, and I'll do unbox it myself, and I'll review them, and I do like an in-depth review as well. So if that is something that you're into, then you have come to the right place. And if the videos help you guys save some money anyway, anyhow, please give it a like, and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notifications for more upcoming videos. In this particular video, today's video, I'm going to be unboxing this the sound bar from Taotronics. Okay, so I'm going to unbox it and I'm going to go install it, and we're going to like test it out to see how it's like, if it's good, bad, that sort of stuff. Okay, so sit back and relax and enjoy the video. This one, there's just a couple of tabs here. Don't really need to use the knife. Okay, this is actually the original retail box that it comes in with. So off the back, I believe this is the instruction, the manual, and it has all the contact information for Asia Pacific, North America, and Europe, and so on. So it does come with the two screws, and I think a little, I don't know how you call it, anchor, why don't you use the screws in. Right, so the rest is just the empty box. I'm gonna put that aside. And first off, we have the remote control. There comes this RCA connector along with 3.5 audio, and it does come with the optical cable, okay, for enhanced audio. Okay, so the remote looks pretty nice. I wonder if it comes with the batteries too. Find out. Nope, it doesn't come with battery. It takes like 2 AAA's battery. I have plenty laying around, so no issue there. So let's check this out. Okay, so this is the front. It's by Taotronics, and as you can see from here, I think I can see through it. It's like a couple of display, or there's a like display and has like optical, aux, Bluetooth, and I think game mode, and then video. So you can see here, it has one driver, two drivers, 3, 4 drivers, and I think 2 subs, 2 subs, one here and one here. And on the bottom, it does have this little rubber. I guess it's to minimize the vibrations. And as you can see over here on the back end of it, there's 2. If you were to mount this, they have like, you know, the holes here already there. And this is the power cable, and on the back is pretty simple. It just has straight up like the optical, and it has the aux in. Okay, so aux in is for you to connect like another source. Okay, so that's pretty much. Oh yeah, and on the side of it, there's like a couple buttons. I guess the first one is a power button, and then this one is like different type of inputs, and then this is the Bluetooth, and this is what is this? Maybe mute. Okay, or lower or higher, lower volume. One of them. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the unbox. And so right now I'm gonna take it out in my living room, and we're gonna try to set it up and you know, see how it sounds. Okay, bear with me. I don't know if you guys can see, but this is the back of the side of my TV, and it has the optical wire, and I use that to connect it to the back of the sound bar. And that's pretty much pretty straightforward. It's only one wire that you need to connect, so it's quick, easy. There's nothing, very straightforward. And so here I'm gonna play another songs for you guys to listen. Okay, and then let me know what do you guys think. Okay, so right now it's playing from the TV speaker, so I'm gonna raise the volume of the sound bar. All right, guys. So this is the audio coming from the TV. Okay, and so now I'm gonna raise up the control for the soundbar. Okay, so what I just did right now is I put it on Bluetooth, and I'm connecting the soundbar to my cell phone, and right now we're gonna play the music from the cell phone, and let's see if you guys can tell the difference. All right, guys. So that's pretty much about the soundbar. It's pretty straightforward. You know, like a lot of TVs that we have, the volume is really low. Sometimes you can't even hear the dialogue, but with the soundbar, you can hear the difference, and you know, and it's within the budget. Of course, there are soundbars out there that are going to cost you in the price range of $1,000. This one you're looking at about $80. Okay, and if you use my my code, there's going to be about 10% off on the price. So if you guys have any questions about the soundbar itself, please leave in the comment below. But other than that, take care. And oh, by the way, this one, if you mount it, it does come with a template. So for you to mount the soundbar. Okay, so it comes something like this. So it's pretty neat. Okay, so that's pretty much it, guys. So today is a Sunday. I want to wish everybody a happy Sunday, and have a good night, and stay safe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.